Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at how to reset the oil service light on a Suzuki Swift Sport. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is jump in the car, bob the ignition on. Without pressing the pedals, just press the ignition once. The light will come on telling you to press the pedals. You don't need to do that. Press it again, the ignition comes on. Then you want to press this little toggle here on the dashboard. So you press that and hold it, and then this menu will appear. On this menu, scroll down to oil change. Press that, and then on reset OC, you want to hold this little toggle in, and on holding that in, it should then say successful. And that is it. A very, very short video, a very quick how-to, but hopefully this helps some of you guys out. Thank you very much for watching.